With the Fly More kit, you get 2 extra batteries in this bar. What this bar does, you take your existing plug that plugs into the wall for your charger, and instead of plugging it into the battery, you plug this into here, and it splits this into like a Y adapter. Then you take each additional battery you have, stick them in. They can rest like that, and then instead of charging, I used to charge this one directly. I would just plug it in right there. Now you pull this one out. And then what this charger does is it'll charge this battery first. When that's done, it'll start charging this battery. When that's done, it'll start charging this battery. Your normal plug also has 2 USB ports for USB-C cables that you can use to charge your remotes and goggle batteries.